Are you also one of those students who think CLAT is the only way to get into the top law university? Then let me tell you that this is not true. Christ University is also a good option that you can consider, and it should be a part of your list. And to get there, you need to crack Christ University Law Entrance Exam, that is QLE. Today, I'm going to tell you everything about the QLE exam. It is a 90-minute computer-based test which has 120 questions carrying 1 marks each. But be extra careful while attempting the questions because there is a negative marking of minus 0.25 for every wrong answer. The question paper is divided into 5 sections. You will have 30 questions from English, 25 questions from reasoning, 30 questions from general knowledge section, 15 questions from current affairs, and 20 questions from the data analysis and interpretation section. So the exam tests not only your knowledge but also your speed, accuracy, and logical thinking skills. And clearing the written exam is just the first step. Then the candidates need to go through a skill assessment test where a topic will be given and you are asked to write on it. This will be followed by a micro presentation round where you need to speak confidently on a given topic for 90 seconds. And the final stage of the admission process is the personal interview round, which lasts for around 10 minutes and focuses on your concept clarity, your confidence, your language skills, and your interest in the law field. Now, through QLE exams, you can get admission into the Bangalore Central Campus, Pune Lavasa off campus, and Delhi NCR off campus. Now, this may look a bit challenging, but with consistent preparation and the right strategy, it is completely achievable. And finally, the most important details, the exam date for the round 2 of QLE examination this year is 6th April, for which the last date to apply or register is 30th March. For more preparation related and exam related details, do follow our channel.